Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is, like what you do and do what you love.
So this is something I feel very strongly about. You know, when you start doing something as a business, it is too oftentimes the case that you start getting into something that just makes you money. Mm-hmm. You definitely don't like it. Eventually you grow sour on it, and you just loathe the day because you know it's ahead of you. Mm-hmm. And I felt that, and I'm sure you have too inside. Yeah. There's certain processes that she loves to do and she hates to do.
Yeah, bookkeeping's not one of my favorites. It's not terrible, but after I get on a roll, it's okay.
So I would give you an example. So I like what I do. I like that I am a blacksmith. I like that I'm an artist, right? Mm-hmm. But I don't love every part of that, okay? I love making intricate pieces. I love stuff that has a lot of forging dimension and has a dynamic range to it. So, when you're standing 20 feet off, it catches your eye. When you get 10 feet off of it, you see something else about it. Something else is revealed. When you get even closer, you see more detail, and so on and so forth, until you get right up on it, and there's still detail to be seen that I have put into the piece. That is me doing what I love to do when I get to work on projects like that. And when I work like that, I am floored. I'm pumped. I'm ready to take on anything else in the shop when I get to take and do what it is that I love to do. There's a lot of things in blacksmithing that I don't like. When it's 130 degrees in the shop in the midsummer, don't like it. I don't know anybody who likes to sweat that much.
Right, you're still out there midsummer.
I'm still out there. 12 hours. 12 hours a day. It doesn't matter. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I don't like that. I don't like the achy joints or the long hours or things like that. But I love certain processes of that. I love that final result and what it means to people and the customers that I'm able to impact with my work. Mm-hmm. And so that's what the whole meaning is. Let that be a motto to you. We'll probably do a merchandise t-shirt at some point in time. Like what you do, do what you love. And let that kind of be a life motto for you if you're doing this as a business, and kind of guide you through it a little bit, because you can definitely get off track. It's really easy to get trapped into just doing products because they sell, and then what good are you other than if you were pushing a shopping cart at Walmart or something else maybe.
Yeah, we did do a video a while ago called Bread and Butter. It's like bread and butter items. I'll put a link in the description. Mm-hmm. It's similar to this. We delve even more into it in that video.
Yep. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We hope you all enjoyed it.
And thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.